Hey guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with another video, and I'm doing something a little bit different. I was on the asset store today and I just noticed a couple of things, and I wanted to talk about what is the perfect price of an asset. And I figured the perfect price for an asset is $15, and I just wanted to share some of my logic behind that. Now you have assets like this which are $249. Now, $249 is a lot of money. You're taking a big risk because this asset might not fit your project. It's an animation asset, but the thing with animation assets is it might not be set up right. It doesn't work the same on every character. And they want you to take a $249 risk that these animations are set up perfectly for your game and your character. And I think it's the reason why stuff like this really doesn't sell well. But on the other hand, you have assets that are $15. $15 I feel is the perfect price because you don't have to put all your animations into one bundle like this. You can just put a good sample size of what the player might need and split it up into bundles, which this developer has done. He's selling you what, 7 swords? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry, 8 swords here, and he's made it $15. Now, a secondary benefit of that is when it goes on sale, it's $7.50. Now the asset is so low that if I'm just thinking about taking a risk on it, it's basically risk-free for me. It's basically $5 at this point. So if I lose the $5, it's not that big of a deal. But if I like it, I'll actually buy more stuff from this developer. And that works really good with stuff like this. Like, I feel like this right here should all be $5. $15, because if it was $15, it would be $7 now. Now, if I'm thinking about buying it for a game I might want to make, I buy one of these assets, and then I just come back to the developer for what else I need. And if they have a sale like this, I get multiple packs because I'm like, why not? And I just thought that was a really good thing I wanted to explain, because I see a lot of assets on the store and I feel like when they're like $200 and $300 or $100, sometimes they look good and they might be a good system, but I'm like, you're taking a risk on a system that might not be good for your game, or something you might not never use. And I noticed a lot when assets are $15, I tend to buy them without thinking about it, because I'm like, well, I kind of want it, and it's on sale for $7.50 at this point. Why not? Anyway, those are just some of my thoughts. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.